Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caters. In this video, I'm going to show you one reason why the flow of your gas from your propane tank to your propane device has stopped flowing or has been greatly restricted. And that's because your safety valve, which is located inside of the main shutoff valve, has kicked in and it's restricted the flow of propane to your device. Now, there's other reasons why that your gas might not be flowing. We're just going to go over the safety valve, but we have a video on those other things also if you'd like to check that out. If the safety valve has kicked in, just remember that the gas is still flowing, but it's just flowing at a reduced volume and you're not going to be able to light your device. So you need to make sure that whatever it is that you've got hooked up, when you hook your tank up and everything, is not on. Make sure the control knob of your grill or your burner is turned off because it starts taking a lot of gas out because it's not lit. That's what's going to kick the safety valve in for protection. If you hadn't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet or give this video a like, that'd be great. We would appreciate that. Now, how you can reset the safety valve and get the gas flowing again, like I said, make sure that everything's turned off that it's flowing to, and then just turn off the tank itself. That should do it. But if not, then you can just uncouple your line and then put it back in to the shutoff valve. That should open up your safety valve again, open up your tank. And this is how you reset your safety valve on a propane tank and get your gas flowing again. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. Thank you very much for watching. And as always, have a great day.